Hello everyone, welcome to Martin's Auto Spa. Today we are going to be working on a 2013 Mercedes E350. He's going to get a 2-stage paint correction and a 6-month ceramic sealant. The paint is in fairly good condition as far as being clean, so we're just going to do a quick iron removal, clean the wheels, and then we're going to pull it inside the garage and do an O&R wash so we can do the paint inspection. So here we go. Alright, so what we're doing right now is letting the iron product dwell. It's an iron chemical that removes deposits from the paint, such as brake dust and fallout from semi-trucks and other people's exhaust and things like that. And so what it's doing is just eats that out of there and helps give you a clean slate to work with when it comes to paint correction. So that's what we're doing right now, letting this sit. We're about to power wash it off and then spray a foam on there to help get some of the excess out of there and bring her inside for O&R wash. We have now finished up the iron decontamination process and wheel cleaning. So again, like I said before, the paint's not that dirty. We're going to actually do today an optimum no rinse and wash. Scientifically proven to not mar the paint. So, and I've tested it myself a lot. So basically what we're going to do is spray the whole car down with a quick detailed version of this. You can actually dilute it to a bunch of different ways for windows, glass, or paint. Pretty much everything, interior cleaner. So we're going to do that to help lubricate the surface and start getting the paint, or getting the dirt safely protected and lubricated. And we're going to go through and wash it. Alright, we have finished the wash process with O&R, so now we're going to move along to the clay bar stage. We, for our clay lubricant, are going to be using O&R in a different diluted state. So we're going to use this clay mitt here. We're going to go ahead and drop it in this bucket of O&R wash to help get the bottle, the mitt itself lubricated. This will be the final step of the decontamination process, and after that we can move on to blow drying and paint inspection. Stay tuned. Alright, the whole wash stage and decontamination stage is complete, so now we're going to go move to paint inspection and start making this print look pretty. Alright, so here we go. Yeah, see without the light it looks pretty. What's up? But an owner actually came in here the other night. We put all the lights on and he was very shocked that that's what the paint actually looks like. Just a side note too, it's actually very misleading. If you see a detailing page post a picture of, hey, you know, look how clean this paint is. This could be dirty paint. And like I said, you don't see all the swirls and scratches in it, so never trust a picture without a light on it. Alright, so that's a little 50-50 between the cut and the not cut. Now you'll notice you see a lot of lines and streaks and haze. There's still a lot of haze in there, but that's part of the cutting process here. We're going to come back down and refine that again with a polish, a softer pad, and it's going to clear that up and look like a mirror. Alright guys, we have just finished doing the cutting on the paint, so the majority of the defects are out. This thing was terrible, but I would definitely say we did at least an 80% restoration on it. So now, now that the paint's all cut up, we can go back and refine it with a fine polish to really bring back that pop and shine. So that's what we're going to do now. Stay tuned for the after footage. Alrighty, so we got the polishing done. So now the last couple steps, we're gonna go ahead and wipe down the car with a quick detailer, which I'm gonna use O&R in the quick detailer solution. And then we're gonna do an alcohol wipe down and top it off with Premier, which is a 6-month ceramic sealing by IGL.